This Texas sheet cake is hands down my most requested cake recipe, and it's actually very easy to make. This cake uses simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. And if you like chocolatey cake or fudgy brownies, this is a must for your next potluck, holiday gathering, or party. Let's get started. Your family's going to absolutely love this. In a medium saucepan, you'll add 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter, 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 cup of water. Make sure to continuously stir this mixture as it heats up. Nobody wants a burnt chocolate cake. Heat that over medium heat until boiling. Once the butter's fully melted and everything's mixed evenly, you should have a nice thick chocolatey sauce. Go ahead and take that off the heat and set it aside while you mix the remaining ingredients. In the medium bowl, you'll whisk together the 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. If you don't have buttermilk on hand, you could also mix 1/2 cup of milk with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to get the same results. In the large mixing bowl, you're going to mix together 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of granulated white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And stir until everything is well combined. Once that's all mixed, you'll add the buttermilk mixture and the chocolate sauce from the stove to your flour bowl and stir until everything is well combined. You'll now have a thick chocolatey cake batter. Next, you'll grab your jelly roll pan. These are typically a 10 by 15 inch rimmed sheet pan. And grease that using any oil or cooking spray. Once greased, you'll pour in your cake batter. I can't wait for you to see how this turns out. Toss that in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. With about 10 minutes left, you're going to start making the icing. You'll heat up a medium saucepan over medium heat and bring 1/2 cup or 1 stick of butter, 6 tablespoons of milk, and 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder to a boil. You want to get this going before the cake comes out of the oven so that you can pour it over while the cake is still hot. I got this recipe from my best friend's mom. She used to make this for us every birthday growing up, and I've been obsessed ever since. Once that's melted, add 1 pound of powdered sugar to the melted butter mixture and stir continuously until you have a spreadable icing. This icing is to die for, and it smells absolutely amazing. After 20 minutes, you'll take the cake out of the oven. This is what it should look like. Using a toothpick or a fork, you're going to poke some holes to allow the icing to absorb into the cake. You'll immediately pour the icing onto the hot cake. This recipe makes plenty of icing. You might not need to use it all. You can determine how thick you'd like it. Make sure to let the cake cool completely before cutting and serving. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love hearing from all of you. The icing will get slightly hard at the top, but will stay nice and fudgy and soft underneath. This cake smells absolutely amazing. Don't forget to let us know if you give it a try. Enjoy!